Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 23. This is Section 2.2, Problem 23. It says find the prime factorization of the number, write repeated factors using exponents. And we have the number 88. So we want to find what primes multiply to make 88. So the first thing I think of when I split up an 88 is 8 times 11. And again, you could start it other ways, like 2 times 44. In the end, you'll come up with the same prime factorization. I saw 8 times 11 is the first thing in my head. So now the 8 can split a little bit further into 2 times 4. 2 times 4 multiplies to make an 8. The 11 is prime, so it'll just come straight down without splitting. Now, the 4 in the middle is not prime, so let me split that. So the first 2 will come straight down without splitting. Then I have a 4 that will split into 2 times 2. The 11 on the right end is prime, so it'll come straight down without splitting. And now I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 11. Those are all prime numbers, so nothing will split any further. So at this point, I'm done. That is the prime factorization. I have 88 equals 2. So since there are 3 of them and it asks us to use exponents, it would be written 2 to the third times 11.